With the official announcement at D23 of the Mandalorian and Grogu movie coming at us in a couple of years' time, it begs the question, does this film have a problem? And, well, the answer simply is yes, there is an issue. But what is the issue? We're going to talk about it now. So let's get into it. So, The Mandalorian. We've had 3 seasons on Disney Plus the Boba Fett show, which gave us kind of a half season of The Mandalorian also. The final season of The Mandalorian was somewhat lackluster, and at D23 people were presented with a trailer for The Mandalorian and Grogu movie, a cinematic feature with these 2 characters in on the big screen. What can go wrong? Quite a lot, actually. This is Star Wars. So, from my perspective, the issues here rely around the fact that this is a Disney Plus show. And looking at the trailer, well, it looks very much like a Disney Plus film, so to speak. What I mean by that is a lot of money is pumped into the Mandalorian TV show, and it does look good, but it's still lacking something. There's still something that it lacks compared to its cinematic counterparts, and the film itself looks more akin to the TV show than what it does a cinematic feature. And this is the problem. People who have Disney Plus, they don't mind watching The Mandalorian. I mean, a lot of people watch it for free, don't they? Come on, they stream it, they whatever, they find it online, they torrent it, whatever it may be. They get to watch this show without paying for it. So that begs the question, why go to the cinema to see a film where you've watched the TV series either on a streaming service in the comfort of your own home, or you've watched it for free? Most people, general audiences, are not going to see it. Add to that the fact that it is on the back of a very lackluster season 3. A season 3 that was kind of 50-50 in quality. It wasn't particularly good. So, The Mandalorian comes at us on the big screen. Am I excited? Not really. I'm not excited for it, and I don't think anyone else will be outside of those hardcore Star Wars fans. The thing is, okay, and let's go to let's so a lot of money is put into the Disney Plus TV shows, but if there isn't too much of a difference in visual quality between TV and cinema, then why would you go to the cinema to see something that's the equivalent of what you're watching on TV? And this is where the problem lies for The Mandalorian and Grogu. Obviously, I will end up seeing the film, no doubt. Will it be at the cinema? I'm not too sure. Is that the future? Is that where the future for The Mandalorian lies? Will it then spin back onto Disney Plus after that for a continued TV appearance or something like that? Because if that's the case, that's an even worse decision or idea to go with. So the idea of a Mandalorian and Grogu film on paper probably looks good, but from a psychological standpoint, people may not realise that they don't want to see it simply because it's what's just being offered up as a TV show and will look no different than an extended episode film special of The Mandalorian. So the verdict's out on this one, obviously, and until the film hits, we'll see what happens. But to be honest, I think The Mandalorian should have stayed at home on Disney Plus, where they could have given us the film probably exactly the same as what they're going to be giving us in the cinema.